Welcome to the IDEMIA presentation on how to contact our Customer Care Center. The Customer Care Center provides technical support and repair to all of the IDEMIA biometric devices. Before contacting us, we have various tools and resources you can use that may have the answers you are looking for. The Sherpa app contains leaflets and installation guides for all the biometric devices and can give you step-by-step instructions for Morpho Manager setup and configuration. Sherpa can be downloaded on Apple and Android mobile devices or tablets. Our Biometric Devices web portal is an online resource where you can find all the latest software, firmware, and documentation. We have also added a new resource to our web portal, a knowledge base that gives you access to technical articles that cover the most frequently asked questions when installing or configuring IDEMIA products and solutions. Our certification program allows our customers to understand biometric technology when deploying our access control terminals, from technology selection, installation and configuration, to maintenance in operational conditions. Before contacting us, please provide us with the following information. This will help us address your issues and concerns more efficiently. If you are a registered customer, you can access support on the Biometric web portal by chat or via a questionnaire. Otherwise, you can contact us by telephone or by email using the following contact details.
Our call center is able to receive your calls and your emails 24 hours a day and 7 days a week in 5 languages. A support ticket will be created and communicated to you within an hour after receiving your request. Our call center will call you back if you provide your telephone number. The Level 1 team will assist you with basic support issues and will escalate your request to Support Level 2 when a ticket requires more detailed investigation and troubleshooting. Our Regional Level 2 support team will provide you advanced support by phone or by email. Our team will call you back on request when your telephone number is provided. A remote session can be organized when necessary for deeper investigation and troubleshooting. In the event that the issue raises a bug or is more complex, our Level 2 team will consult Level 3. The Level 2 support experts will remain your main point of contact and keep you informed on the progress until the ticket is closed. In case of hardware-related issues, your ticket will be automatically transferred to the repair team, and you will receive additional instructions. Please note that our support policy does not allow our Level 2 or Level 3 team to receive calls, but only make outbound calls. If you need to speak to one of our Level 2 or Level 3 support engineers, leave your phone number when you make the original ticket request, and we will call you back within the next working day. Our international expert team will work on complex issues and will consult our research and development team where needed. Remote access may be suggested to help investigating some issues. In some complex situations and on some larger sites, we may have to schedule an on-site mission to address and troubleshoot the issue.
Our Return Merchandise Authorization team will assist you by sending an empty RMA form you need to complete and return to us. We will provide you the information on the warranty coverage of your faulty device. If the device is covered by warranty, a RMA form with a physical address will be communicated so you to send the device to. If your device is not covered by warranty, a quote will be provided and you need to send us a corresponding purchase order. As soon as we receive your faulty device, a replacement will be sent to you. Our Customer Care Center is looking forward to providing you with high-quality support. Scan this QR code to access the leaflet on screen with all the contact details for biometric devices and support. Thank you so much for listening today.